Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are traveling from Kuala Lumpur to Kota Kinabalu. Flight timing is 2.5 hours. We are staying in Kota Kinabalu and this is the view from our hotel. You can either stay in Kundasang or in Kota Kinabalu. Day 2, we rented a car for 4 days to explore Kota Kinabalu and Kundasang. Now we are traveling to Kundasang. Kundasang is called New Zealand of Borneo for its unique mountainous geographical terrain, almost similar to New Zealand. Kota Kinabalu is capital of Sabah state in East Malaysia. Distance to Kundasang from KK is 90 kilometers and travel time is 1.5 hours to 2 hours by car. Roads are uphill, so it can take longer. The drive from Kota Kinabalu to Kundasang is one of the most scenic routes in Sabah, and along the way you can see lush greenery, changing landscapes and mountain views. As you climb higher, we will start getting stunning glimpses of Mount Kinabalu.
All blend like a friendly hello from beyond. In the constant relief that the very things I believe in are all here when I wake, and they wait for me when I am gone. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. It's always raining, every day feels the same now. I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be. But this place and these folks always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. Are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the time I need today in a frame, telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Yeah, this old heart of mine finally broke itself. away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. It's always raining, every day feels the same now. I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be. But this place and these folks always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. Are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the time I need today. I don't care about yesterday. This old heart of mine kinda broke itself. The photos in a frame telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. My way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Yeah, this old heart of mine finally broke itself.
Too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Too long now, I think that I want. I second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so. like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer. Too long now, I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them, don't second guess me. So come a little closer. Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality.
After Desa farm, we are heading back to Kota Kinabalu, and tomorrow we will continue to explore more of Kundasang.